Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to remove the splitter from the lower edge of the front bumper on your 2003 on Saab 93SS. Fitting the Aero splitter to these is a very popular modification. On each side, just in front of the front wheel, there's a screw which connects the front of the wheel arch liner to the rear end of the lip, and you need to remove that with an 8mm spanner or socket. You may well find it a lot easier to raise the front end of the car a little. Remove the 3 screws connecting the splitter to the under tray. I'm going to show you the rest of the process on my genuine Aero bumper with its Aero lip, which, as you can see, somebody has kindly smashed in for me. Before I scrap it completely, I can show you how to do some of the jobs. When you've got these 3 screws removed on the car, in the middle, you'll need to reach up inside, and there's a metal clip. So just take that off. Now, all along the join line, there are integral clips which pull apart like so. Let me show you that again. As you work your way along, a 5mm flat screwdriver is useful, just to squeeze the clip back through the slot and work your way along like that. It's a lot easier in actual fact when the bumper is still on the car, because it doesn't move around like this one is doing for me. Work your way along, releasing each clip in turn, and then it'll come off. To refit, simply clip the splitter back into place along the bottom of the bumper and put back the screws that you removed at the ends and underneath.